Robotics. Robotics is a technology that deals with the design, construction, operation, and the application or use of robots. It also is concerned with the computer systems that are used for their control, sensory feedback, and information processing. Any design of a robotic system will almost always include principles and knowledge from the areas of mechanical and electronic engineering and computer science. With computer science, the emphasis is on artificial intelligence. The study of biological system plays a significant role in the field of robotics in system engineering as well as to serve as the basics for bionics. Biologists will look for and observe life systems for such things as a mathematical expression which could lead to control algorithms, or they could observe how a process is handled within nature. Bifocal vision or tactile sensations can be designed into an analogous system that can be developed through electronics. Robots are essentially machines which can operate autonomously. This concept dates back to classical times. Research regarding the functionality and potential uses of robots, however, did not occur until the 20th century. Robots are typically viewed as mimicking human behavior as well as the performance of tasks in a fashion similar to humans. The field of robotics has been rapidly growing since its inception. Research as well as the design and construction of new robots serve many purposes, many of which are practical, such as use in the home, business, and in the military. Many robots are employed today to do jobs which are hazardous, such as defusing bomb and mines, as well as conducting deep sea explorations. The term robotics is taken from the word robot, which was introduced by Karel Capek, a Czech writer, in his book RUR, Rossum's Universal Robots, published in 1920. The word robot itself comes from the Slavic word robota, which means labor. The story begins in a factory which makes artificial human beings called robots, and these robots are often mistaken for humans. This is very similar to the modern idea of androids, which are self contained autonomous machines meant to be identical to humans in just about every aspect. In a letter to the Oxford English Dictionary in reference to the etymology of the word, Capek admitted he did not coin this word, but named his brother Joseph as the originator. According to the Oxford English Dictionary, the word robotics was first used in print by Isaac Asimov in the short story Liar, which was published in 1941. Early in the 20th century, there are several significant events involving robotics. The first was the film Metropolis in 1927. The movie was directed by Fritz Lang and starred German actress Brigitte Helm as the Maschinenmensch machine man, in which the female robot was known as Futura. Robotics or the Maria impersonator. In 1942, Isaac Asimov formulated his three laws of robotics. The most significant of these laws is that robots are not allowed to harm their creators or humans in general. In 1948, Norbert Wiener came up with the principles of cybernetics, which form the basis of practical robotics. The first fully autonomous robots did not appear until the second half of the 20th century. The first programmable and digitally operated robot was the Unimate, which was installed in 1961 to lift hot pieces of metal from a die casting machine and then stack them. Industrial robots are widespread now and are used to perform jobs more cheaply, accurately, and reliable than humans. Today, robots are used in a wide range of activities, including manufacturing, packing, transport, surgery, safety, space, and undersea exploration, and in mass production of goods. They are also used extensively in the military and law enforcement, particularly for the diffusing of bombs and other explosives. Whenever there is a job which is too dirty, dangerous, or dull to be suitable for a human, a robot is typically used, and this has been the case ever since robots has been put to use, and this serves as a basic premise for the field of robotics.